Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cinema Space 4K. Today we are taking a closer look at the Sony MDR-ZX110 headphones, a pair of affordable and bass-focused headphones. Let's start with design. The Sony ZX110 has a minimalist design that's sleek and stylish. They are available in white, black and pink colors. There are also variants with microphone and active noise cancellation. The ear cups have a glossy finish that looks great. The build quality is decent, although the headphones are mostly made of plastic, which is understandable given the price. The ear cups swivel, which makes them easy to store and carry around. One thing to note is that the headband lacks padding, which means the headphones may not be the most comfortable to wear for long periods. However, the ear cups are padded, which helps mitigate the issue. They are lightweight, so they won't put much pressure on your head. These headphones are optimized for a warm sound signature, which is slightly different from the V-shaped sound signature of most of the Sony audio products. These headphones have a slight emphasis on bass, which means you get a deep, rich sound that's perfect for genre like hip-hop and EDM. The soundstage is not as wide as some of the more expensive headphones out there, but it's still impressive for a pair that cost under 600 rupees. This is one of the most popular headphones on the planet because of the sound quality and the brand value, and is tried and tested and recommended by many, and the overall consensus is that they are a great budget headphone. I recommend burning these headphones for a couple of hours to achieve the optimal sound quality. Enough of saying, let's take them to the test. If you have heard the sample using monitoring speakers or studio headphones, you may have gotten the essence of the sound signature. There are some frequencies only good headphones and speakers are able to reproduce. Let me play you a sample song. At the end of the vocals, you might hear a bass note that could be heard if you have a good quality headphones. If you didn't hear it, here is the version without any vocals. If you still can't hear it, I have removed everything except that bass note. Now you hear it, right? With good headphones like this, those notes would be easily audible and separated from the vocals and other instruments. When it comes to the value for money, the Sony ZX110 is a great option for anyone on a budget who still wants to enjoy high quality audio. At around 550 rupees or $8, these headphones offer incredible value. They are not perfect, they deliver exceptional sound quality for their price point. The Sony ZX110 is a great option for anyone who wants to enjoy music on the go without sacrificing sound quality. The Sony ZX110 sounds very similar to the Sony EX150 AP and Sony XP55 I reviewed before, even though they were in-ear units. This is impressive considering those models are more expensive than the ZX110. In terms of sound quality, the ZX110 is a great option for anyone who wants to enjoy music without spending a lot of money. The Sony ZX110 is a great option for anyone who wants a budget-friendly pair of headphones that deliver excellent sound quality. While they may not be the most comfortable headphones out there, they are lightweight and easy to carry around. They have a warm sound signature that's optimized for bass, which makes them perfect for genres like hip-hop and EDM. They are a great option for anyone who wants to enjoy high-quality audio without breaking the bank. So if you are an audiophile on a budget, you might want to give the Sony ZX110 a try. And I will give these headphones a rating of 9 out of 10 considering the affordability. Links to buy these headphones are in the description below. As always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.